Welcome, my lovely viewers. This is your tutor, Mr. A+. So today we are going to look at this particular past paper, and this is paper 1, 2022 internal. Okay, so to start with, we are going to look at question number 1 up to question number 10, because this particular paper consists of 23 questions. So we are going to do it in parts. So let's start with the first question. Okay, so the first question reads, evaluate, open bracket, 3/2, close bracket, then power -2. So when you look at this particular question, this is indices, and therefore, for you to evaluate, you need to consider all the possible rules that are found in indices. Okay, so now the power which is here is negative. So now for us to evaluate, we need to convert, or rather to change the negative power to positive power. So now how can we change this one? So this one can be changed by finding its inverse. So when you look at this 3/2 as a term, it is actually over 1. So that over 1 is now going to be reciprocated for us to have a positive power. What do I mean? Can you now see what I'm trying to talk about here? So we are going to say 1. So 1 will be on top now, then over 1 over 3 over 2, open and close bracket, power 2. So this is what I was talking about. We are going to find the inverse. So the moment you introduce 1 over, the negative there disappear. Okay, so that's why we are having a positive power this time around now. So now from there we can simplify further by doing what? Since we have a positive power, now we can use it. So we are going to say 1 over, then 3 power 2 is 9. Okay, then you say over 2 power 2 is what? 4. Okay, so meaning the answer that we have down there is 9 over 4. This power now has disappeared because it has worked. So from there we can now simplify further by saying 1 or 1. Since this is a divide, so 1 will remain alone there. Then you say 9 over 4. Okay, so 9 over 4. So this one can also be over 1 because we have a division fraction this side, so we need to balance it up. Okay, so here we are going to have 1 over 1. Then this division sign in mathematics, when you are multiplying, when you are dividing fractions, the division sign always changes to positive, to multiplication. And once it changes to multiplication, then the fraction after the operation sign is going to reciprocate, is going to change. 4 will go on top, then 9 will come down there. Okay, so 9 will come down. So from there now we can say 1 times 4, it's 4. Then 1 times 9, it's 9. And this is going to be our answer according to this question. So the answer is 4 over 9. So quickly, let us go to question number 2. Let us go to question number 2 and see how best we can answer it. So question number 2, they are saying factorize completely 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. Okay, so when you look at this one, we are told to factorize completely. So for us to factorize simply means we have to factor out certain common numbers. Okay, so let us group this into 2. So when you look at 2ax plus 4ay, these are already like, because we have a there, we have a, then 3b also, we have 6b. So just like the way they are, we are not going to rearrange them. So let us just group them. So for this one here, 2ax, we are going to find the common thing here is 2a, so we are going to write 2a. 2a, then we open the bracket, then inside here you say 2a into 2ax, we are going to remain with here x. Okay, we are going to remain with x this side. Then we say 2a into 4ay, we say plus, because this is positive, so this will give us 2y. Okay, then we close. Okay, like that. Then this side 3bx minus 6by, the common thing is negative 3b. So that negative 3b is going to be outside. Then we open the bracket. Then you say negative 3b into negative 3bx. The answer will be x, positive x. Then negative 3b into negative 3, into negative 6by, the answer is going to be positive, because negative into negative is positive, 2y. Okay, so now from there we are going to group what is outside together like this. This side we have 2a, so we are going to bring them together. So 2a, we put them in brackets, then we open another one, then we write the remaining one. So these two, we just get one of these because they are the same. Okay, so that will be our answer for this particular question. So the answer is 2a minus 3b, open and close, then x plus 2y, open and close. That is our answer. So let us go to the next one, the next question. So the next question, the question reads, that is question number 3, simplify 3, open bracket, 4x minus 5, then close bracket, plus 2. So how do we simplify? So for us to simplify, the first thing that we are going to do here is to get rid of this bracket you are seeing here. So how do we remove the brackets? We are going to multiply with the 3 which is outside. So we say 3 times 4x, the answer will be 12x. Okay, then 3 times negative 5, it will be negative 15. Okay, then plus what? This side you have plus 2. Then from there, this 12, we bring down 12x. Then negative 15 plus 2, because these are like terms, then they can be simplified further. The answer will be negative what? 13. Okay. So the answer will be negative what? 13. And this will be our final answer to the given question. Simple as that, meaning we have simplified. And remember, this one is carrying just this, you have 2 marks. So this is how paper 1 can be easy. So let us go to question number 4. We go to question number 4. So question number 4, they are telling us to solve the equation. So this is a question that we are given. Now they want us to solve the equation. So in other words, when they ask you to solve the equation, they are telling you to make y the subject of the formula in this case, because y is what we have as our variable. So how do we solve this particular equation? So this equation is going to be solved by first factorizing it. Okay, so we have 4. So the common 4y squared and minus 8y is the common thing is 4y. Okay, so 4y is our common factor. Then we open the bracket. So 4y into 4y squared, the answer is y. Then 4y into negative 8y, the answer is going to be 2. Then equals what? 0. We don't need to forget the equals that we have. So equals 0. So now from here, we can now separate them. Each term we equate to 0. So we'll start with 4. So 4y is equals to what? 0. Then we have y minus 2 y minus 2 is equals to what? 0 again. Okay, so y minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have 2 there. So 2 possible answers. So we start with the first one. So for this one, we are going to say over 4 for us to remain with y this side. Even here, over 4. So y is what? Y is equals to 0. Because 4 into 0 is 0. Then we come to the other one. We have y is equals to 0. Then these two go the other side and it will be a plus. So plus 2. So y is equals to 2. Okay. So we have got how many answers? We have got 2 answers. Where we are saying y is equals to 0, this one, and y is equals to 2. No wonder why even on this the answer space we are having 2 answer space there, so where you have to indicate the first one y is equals to 0, then y is equals to 2 marks. Then we go to question number 5. So question number 5, question number 5. So question number 5, we are given this is under sets. Shade A union B complement intersection C on the diagram in this answer space below. In the answer space below. Okay. Musare, what is it sure?